Hey everybody, I'm just out here looking for some branches, dead trees, stuff that I could turn into some wands. I'm here across the street from my house. A lot of these trees up here are pretty dead, so I did bring this, but I only cut dead trees down, or what I think are dead trees. I will never cut a live tree. I do use clippings from live trees that, like, my neighbors will trim their houses and stuff. Not their houses, will trim the trees around their houses. I have a neighbor that's got a bunch of dogwood trees and some apple trees and stuff like that. And so he'll trim his trees a lot. But yeah, so I do see some pretty straight, what I do believe are dead trees. I hope I'm not wrong, but I really do believe, because I've been up here before and I have seen trees that are visibly dead. And I don't like to get branches too big. I don't like them to get too small. Sometimes I use dowel rods. When I use dowel rods, I like to go about 3/4 of an inch, because I do trim them down. I use a couple tools that aren't for that, but I do make use for that. So what I'm looking at here is this tree here. I'm pretty sure it's dead, as is this one too. So I'm going to cut this down. It's pretty straight. This also, this tree, this part of it here, pretty straight. Not too big. It's not really too small, actually. I can use all 3 of these. Yeah, it's dead. If it's too dry, it's too dead, like, I'll show you down the way. Probably break this. Let me see where I could put you at where you could see. So if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that means this tree is dead. I really hope that I'm correct. So I'm only going to be using this part of it, because it's the only one that's straightest. But yeah, so I will do a little bit more looking around, and we'll go from there. I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit when I get my little haul together. Good thing I only have to go right across the street. It's pretty neat. I'll upload some more videos about my area and all that. I'm really hoping that this wand making thing picks up, because it really does bring enjoyment to me. It calms me. When I'm stressing out, I go out and I just whittle away at some wands. It really does. It brings I don't know how to explain it. I've only been doing it about 4 or 5 months, really. I never thought that I could whittle at all. Never ever worked with wood. I mean, when I was a little kid, about 8, 9, I took a shop class at the school I was at. I was at a private school, and I built a really big purple Martin birdhouse that I gave to my aunt. She had it for, man, she had it for a long, long, long time. She really liked it. I don't know why, but I painted it canary yellow. But I have a hard time with certain kinds of emotions and feelings and controlling them emotions and feelings. And when I go out and I start working away, when I take something like this, turn it into something beautiful like this, it just, like, look at that. Like, look at that beautiful, I mean, it's crazy. Like, when you really sit down and find a hobby or a skill or something that you really, really just, you like it, do it as much as you can, because nothing's going to bring you enjoyment in life more than things you actually like doing. And I mean, I do put a little too much time into the wand making, but what else am I supposed to do? Like, I go to work, I come home, take care of the house, cook. Like, what else? I mean, don't go nowhere. Don't have any friends. I don't go do anything. I don't go to the bars. I don't party. I don't do anything. I like being at home. So when there's nothing to do, like for a whole weekend, when there's nothing to do other than sit and just twiddle my thumbs or scroll through YouTube or whatever, I choose to make wands. And this is like this because I do make a payment wand that I use, which I have a video of it on my channel. But I haven't done this yet because I'm still waiting on the new card because I messed up anyway. I do make payment wands, and I carry a wand with me everywhere I go because, I mean, you carry your wallet everywhere you go. So if this can make payments, why not keep it with me? Literally, like, everywhere in town, every store. There's this one gas station I go to that they recognize me and they know me and they know that I use this, and they don't give me nobody has ever given me any issues. They're like, what the heck? Like, what's that? I'm like, check this out. Beep. There it goes. They're like, whoa. But like I was saying, wand making, it brings me calming. It calms my nerves. If I'm mad or I'm frustrated, I'll go outside for a couple hours, come back in, and it's different. And little things in life like that bring enjoyment. But there's just, I'm telling you all, man, you can find something, even if it's something like this. It's something that other people think are stupid. Like, I mean, honestly, like, I don't care. I don't do anything because I don't think it's stupid. But, like, I don't even have anybody who's wanting to even buy them yet. I'm trying to get there. But currently, I've not sold one wand. I've made like 4 or 5 wands and I gave them away. But I've not sold one wand. And I'll get there because my wands are nice. They're beautiful. I'm getting quite good at it. Oh, Shoot, I left my saw. I left my saw way back there. But it's a talent. And like I said, I've only been doing it about 4 or 5 months, but I'm getting really good. And when I choose to use dowel rods, they're perfectly straight, and they just come out way better. And I'll upload another video here in a little bit of a few of the wands that I made out of dowel rods. And yeah. Where I'm at right now is technically somebody's property, but it was an old man, and he had a mobile home up here, and he lived in it for like a really, really long time. Well, he died like a year ago, and they're selling his property. So his property is for sale. So technically I'm trespassing, but I mean, I'm not doing nothing. I'm just walking through the woods. But yeah, so I'm gonna get off here, and I will trim this down. I'm not really gonna look for much more because it is kind of cold outside. Well, not currently right now cold, but it's getting there. So I'm not gonna be able to do much for a long period of time because I do also work and everything. But I will see you guys again later.